I've been teaching online for over 10 years, and I've really thought hard about what's the best way to get information online. And you know what? There are some things that you can do online that you cannot do in person, and I tried to take advantage of those in this online class. I miss being in person, but here's some cool things we can do with our computers. One is I'll guide you sometimes through websites that somebody else has spent lots of time and thousands of dollars getting organized. So why am I going to reinvent the wheel? I just serve as your guide in finding some pretty interesting and great information that's already out there on a really well-designed website. So that's one way that I can share information and my expertise with you while using information presentations that someone else has done in kind of a website type style. Sometimes, though, there isn't a really great explanation out there, and that's when I'll do an actual lecture. Now, we don't need me standing up there and looking at the board, so I have us kind of looking at the lecture together, So I'll speak and work and show, and we're both it's like you're looking over my shoulder as I explain something close up. And so there's something nice about this type of lecture, and I use a document camera to do that. And I think there's a good way of listening to someone explain something to you, watching them write, maybe writing some stuff down on yourself as you go, and hearing someone explain as they write can really be a great way to get information. Besides websites, there are documents created by other people that, again, have taken a lot of time and organization. And so, similar to tours of websites, I sometimes tour you through documents, usually a PDF, that's been prepared by somebody else, but that has really great information or is an example of something you might encounter in your work. And so I definitely don't invent all the documents we use in this class myself, but I'll certainly use excellent documents I find from other sources. This can range from in-house publications to scientific papers, complete with chemistry and biology. And finally, you know what? There are professionally prepared videos. Why not use some publicly available, awesome videos that companies create to try to show you what they're doing in their facilities? I don't have a bunch of videographers and a studio production and thousands of dollars, but companies do. So when they have a video that's really informative, I'm going to use it, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching these really high quality productions. Oh yeah, there's one last thing. I do write out text for you to read, so it's sort of like I'm writing my own textbook for you, and you get to read it there in Canvas. So there aren't 4 types of lectures, there are really 5. So you see, I put those all together. Even within one module, you might experience different types of learning. So I hope this works well for you. I think we really can take advantage of online learning together and have a really great intellectual time.